So with this reaction, you have a um, ketone functional group reacting with a primary amine, and this reaction takes place in acid. So what ends up first happening is some of the acid, a proton, protonates the oxygen to form an OH, and that does it. That puts a plus charge on your carbon, and that's where the amine attacks, and it shifts the positive charge to the amine because the amine already has its 3 bonds. And so what happens there is a base in the solution comes and pulls off a hydrogen from the nitrogen, or from the amine, to remove that charge. Um, and then you're left with this molecule shown, and that's an intermediate. Um, the next step, what happens is you protonate the alcohol to get a water, and the water just kind of leaves, and then you're left with a plus charge here on the carbon, the original carbon. And what happens again is you have a second base that pulls off a hydrogen from your amine, and that bond between the nitrogen and hydrogen breaks, and the bond between those originally goes to form a double bond with the nitrogen and the original carbon.